What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Bonnie from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the top left, we're going to draw an oval, coming down, and then back up. And we'll line that up on the right side. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to move to the outside of the eyes and draw in the eyelash. I'm going to start with a straight angle line going up towards a point. Let's bring this back in, just along the outside of the eye. Now I'm going to taper this. We're going to trace the eye going up, and then fade that in towards the inside. Let's fill those eyelashes in black. From the bottom of the eyes, we're going to move to the center and draw a curve for the nose, coming down and up. Let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to curve this down, across, and then up. Now in between the eyes along the top, we're going to add in that hair. Let's start with a point. From here, I'm going to bend this down and out towards the left, go back up, come down towards the center. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to bend this up and out, round out the hair, come all the way around the right side, and then in towards that bottom point. Let's layer the helmet in behind, starting on the left, bend this out and down, line it up on the right. Now we're going to come straight down the side of the head to right about there. And I'll round out the bottom of the head, starting back on the left, coming down, across, and we'll bend that up towards the right side. Let's add that hair along the side, starting on the left, pop this out, come down, and then in. Now we're going to add that trim around the base of the helmet, starting on top of the hair on the left, going straight up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I just want to round this out, follow the curve going up above the hair in the middle. Let's bring this down towards the right side, and then we'll round out that top corner. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the helmet. We're going to go up, go across, and then back down. Now we're going to go to the side of the hair to draw the eyebrows. Coming down with a straight line, angle this up and out underneath the helmet, and we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to go up and add that detail inside the helmet, leaving a gap in the center, start on the left, bend this up and then out, and then line that up on the right side. Now I want to round out the ends, coming around on the left, round out the inside, and we'll close off the top with another curve, and we'll fill those two areas in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that large zipper. We're going to start right underneath the chin. We're going to draw two lines coming down, close off the top and bottom. Along the side, angle this up and out, go up the side, and we'll flatten that off. Let's go back to the inside, draw two angle lines going out, come straight down the side of the zipper pull, and then flatten that off. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a small rectangle. From the top of the zipper, we're going to step out and draw on the body. Let's start with the left side. We're going to bend this out, come down, and then into right about there. Line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's round up the base of the leg, going down and up in the middle, coming down and out towards the right. In the center, we're going to step up, add a curve. And then from this point, draw a straight line going up. Let's go back up and draw on the side of the zipper. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line coming down. Let's line this up along the bottom, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Let's flatten off the bottom. Let's trace the inside of the zipper with another line coming down the inside, coming down towards the bottom, and flatten that off. We're just going to add a little bit of texture inside the zipper. Let's go back to the center. We're going to separate the legs, coming down, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and up. Same thing on the right. Now let's curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up and bend that down. Let's go back to the outside, angle of the boot coming down and in on top of the feet. Now I want to separate the bottom of the shoes. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across towards the heel. And we're also going to add a patch along the inside of the boot. Start with a straight line coming down, bend this in and up. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the side of the arm. Let's start underneath the head on the left, and bend the arm going out, and then bring that down. Now I want to add a fold. We're going to step back up, then it's out, and then down. Let's do that again. Stepping up, go all the way around the bottom of the arm, come in, and then up towards the side of the leg. Let's add the cuff along the outside, going out, around, then in towards the bottom. And we'll add some texture inside with two angled lines. Now I want to add that stripe across the side of the sleeve. Let's start from the top of the shoulder, start with a short angled line coming down and in. Now I'm going to follow the curve, coming in and then down, go across and then down, then out towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. And now that we have the arms in place, let's finish off the hair, starting back on the left. Curve this around and in towards the arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Bonnie from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.